Tortilla Espanola or Spanish omelette. All you need: onion, potato and eggs. That's it. Well, of course, oil and salt and pepper. So from that simple ingredient, we can create a comfort food which is very simple in flavor, yet very satisfying. Enough talking. Let's start to make Spanish omelette or Tortilla Espanola. You need chop and tell the onion, cut into half and get rid of the dry skin. Slice like so, leaving the root section intact, and then just chop roughly like so. Continue with the rest of the onion. Onion done. Next, potato. Half the potato and then half again. And then just slice it about 3mm thickness. Potato done. Next, eggs. Whisk the eggs until the egg white and the yolk incorporated very well. Next, heat the pan into medium heat and then add a decent amount of olive oil. But if you can get olive oil, you can use sunflower or rapeseed oil. Cook the onion. Some people might cook the potato first and then the onion. For me, I cook the onion first because the sweetness of the onion will be come out and the flavor of the caramelized onion will be intensified. If you cook the potato first and then the onion later, the onion will be just like slightly boiling. So that's my point. But it's up to you in the end. After a minute or so, you can see the onion already getting softer and the aroma already coming out nicely, and it's time to add the potato. Stir the potato and the onion well and turn the heat down slightly. You need to cook the potato and the onion approximately 25 to 30 minutes until the potato is soft. After 27 minutes, the potato has been softened and the onion slightly caramelized. So it's now ready to drain the oil and proceed with the next cooking process. The oil has been drained and now it's time to add the seasoning. Salt and pepper.
This amount.
And then give it a good stir. Next, turn the heat on low to medium and pour in the eggs. Make sure you mix it well. And put the lid on and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the bottom of the tortilla is already cooked. So what you have to do now is to cover it with plate like so, and then we just flip it, and then we just slide it back into the cooking pan like so, gently, voila, and press it like that, and cook further for at least 4 more minutes. Okay, 4 minutes has gone past, and now our tortilla Espanola ready. Hi, in order for me to keep going making COVID cooking video series, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification button, so if there is a new video you will get notified. Okay, next what you have to do, just flip your tortilla onto the plate. Voila. Before you serving it, just sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese like that. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, your Spanish omelette, Tortilla Espanola, done.